Hello, everyone. I hope you're excited about your snow day off from school. So, I have created this Google Classroom for you to do today, and it is called EDCI 270 IM3 Kindergarten. If you need the class code, it should be in the email, but just in case, it's right here. So, it's a lowercase a, capital 9, 9, I guess just regular 9, capital I, 5, lowercase r, lowercase n. So again, that's lowercase a, 9, 9, capital I, 5, lowercase r, lowercase n. And your screen should look exactly the same as mine now, except right here at the top, it will say step 1, and it will be this video you're listening to now. So the first thing you need to do is listen to this video, and I will explain what to do from there. So after you're finished watching this video, you'll scroll down to step 2. And it tells you to watch this video about farm animals. And while you're watching it, I want you to say the letters and the words out loud. If the video doesn't play when you pop up, just like this, I'll show you what to do. So you'll click it, and if this pops up, which it has been the last few times I've viewed this, just click that underlined part and it'll take you right to YouTube so you can watch the video. I'll go ahead and save that for you to watch on your own though. And then after you do that, I have a little thing on each one. So this one I said, please leave your name and favorite animal in the comments section. So that's right here, and that is where you will type your name and favorite animal and then click post. After that, you'll come down here to step 3. I want you to go through this Quizlet here and do the flashcards at least 2 times and then play the matching game. So here's the Quizlet, and it has 12 words on it for you to go through. The flashcards are right here. You can go through them here, or if you want to make the screen full screen, you can. And then this is the matching game, and it will have you start the game, and then you will match all of these words to their corresponding picture. And once you do it, it'll mix them up each time too. And once you do it, it'll tell you your time. So I did it in 10.3 seconds. You can keep playing, and it'll start putting your names and scores down here. Once you've done it the fastest you think you can, I want you to come back here to our comments, and again in the comments post the fastest time you got, and there might be a little prize in for whoever can do it the fastest. After that, I want you to come down to step 4 and go through this PowerPoint. Again, at the end of this PowerPoint, there is a really short assignment for you to do. So I just want you to go through, actually view the PowerPoint. So view, click view, present, and it will be here for you to go through. At the very end, there is an on your own section, so I want you in your homework notebook to write each of these words 3 times. There's only 6 words here, so you should have cow, pig, horse, corn, egg, and chicken. I know egg and chicken are on the same slide, but they're 2 separate words I want in your homework notebook. If you don't have your homework notebook, any piece of paper is fine. It doesn't matter. And make sure you bring that to class when we're back in session. Then down here, step 5, your final step of the day, I want you to fill out this short Google Forms assessment. You won't get credit for the day unless you do this. So you just need to go through, answer all the questions I have posted here, and then you are completely finished for the day. If you have any questions at any time, please feel free to email me. I will be by my computer, by my phone all day, so I can answer you. If your parents need to contact me, that's perfectly fine. I hope you have a great day off, and I can't wait to see you back in school.